Hello friends, Cyberlab here. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Virtualbox and then Virtualbox extension pack. So without wasting much time, let's open our browser and let's search for Virtualbox with Google search. So here we see Virtualbox from Oracle. So we navigate to virtualbox.org. Right, so we have Virtualbox 6.0, the current version. So we go to downloads, and then we have the various platforms over here. We have Windows host, which is being installed on Windows, and then we have OXS host for Mac OSs, and then we have the Linux distributions, and then the Solar host. Now, after downloading your desired platform, you come to Virtualbox extension pack. Yeah, we can find extension pack here. So we go to all selected platforms. First of all, let's download the Windows host. It's loading. Yeah, so you have it here. I already have it installed, so okay, let me download it for the sake of this lesson. And it is downloading. I will minimize it to the background. Then I come to the Oracle extension pack. Now, what this Oracle extension pack does is using the Virtualbox, you might want to install use a USB device, either a pen drive or a mouse. So you need this extension pack to provide these external services for you in order to get access of plugging your USB devices into your virtual machine. So we go to all supported platforms, and it's loading. It's a bit slow. It's loading. So navigate to, so you have to navigate to your directory where you downloaded it. For you, yours will be in downloads and programs. Well, I have mine in a desired location where I keep my data files, and you can see Virtualbox here, which is being installed. So it's very easy to install. You double click on it, and then you run. So it's a normal installation procedure for every software. Here you can see repair and remove, because I already have it installed on my system, so I wouldn't need to install it again. But with yours, you can follow the installation procedure, and it's not quite difficult. It's very easy for you to install, and then you install it. On a fresh install, you see a Virtualbox icon on the desktop. You double click, and here we are. This is the graphical interface of Virtualbox. Actually, it has no user command line interface, so it's the graphical interface of Virtualbox. And then you might want to navigate through the menus to see what we have installed. We have machine and help. Now we're gonna do some basic configuration over here. We go to file, then we go to preferences, and here we come to, we have general default machine folder where our virtual machines that files are being kept, and then we have the input, shortcuts, and update in case you want to update your VirtualBox, and we have here the language and have the display. You might want to leave these things at default, but when we come to network 2, I will show you how to configure preferred networks for your own. Basically, when you are using servers and then you want to configure the servers to be in a static range, I'll show you a more comfortable way of configuring networks within your virtual machines. And here you see the Oracle Virtual Extension Pack, and this is what we downloaded actually, and it gives you extended services like plugging in your USB into your virtual machine directly, just like plugging a USB into your physical computer. And then for proxy, you might want to leave these things at default for a basic user. Okay, so in our next lesson we will look at some more advanced configurations for VirtualBox. See you.